Hello, it's Rick Bo. I've got another unboxing here to do. My wife has got a 2012 Chevrolet Equinox, and they're supposed to make really good towed vehicles. We haven't got the motorhome yet, but I'm going to go ahead and put a tow bar on it. I guess it's called the base plate, and get ready to, when we get a motorhome, we can tow it behind it. I guess that's what you call putting the blue ox before the cart. But anyway, this is what we got. It's a BX1689 base plate for it says for GMC Terrain, but that's the same as the Equinox. So let's open this thing up and see what we got in here. It's about $429 ordered from Amazon. Oh, it's heavy. It's really nice. Powder coated, real heavy. Looks really well made. And I guess these are for your chains to hook into. And this is where the tow bar connects. That's really nice. Here's the instructions. Shows the Equinox and a Terrain. I think these go in here. Lock. Look at that. You can see these are removable. To where when you're not towing, you can have basically a flat front of the car. I guess these will probably stick out a little bit. I think this is just where you mount the receiver plug, electrical connector. It's a really nice setup. It's got the safety chains. And here's all your hardware for the installation. So I got another project to do. Anyway, we're getting ready to retire one of these days if I can get all my projects done. And maybe hit the road, have some fun with the rest of y'all, see this beautiful country of ours. Anyway, I'll make a video of the installation process, and please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.